Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is CN Honor. On the screen you're watching CN Forex, and here is a video where I'm just going to be showing you a quick analysis of some of the trades I took, and I used a couple of things for confirmation. It may go the way I am analyzing, may likely not go. I used trend line, and then I looked at a little rally base drop, and there's going to be a little rally up again, at least to hit my first TP. I'm going to enter more trades, okay? So but this is going to be the TP for this particular trade that is running now. I'm going to put order, okay? I'm going to put buy orders, right? But then let me show you where I'm looking at. Okay, that's going to be my TP for this particular trade right now, and I'm going to tell you why. So let me just fix my trend line, and there is a kind of range, although price may still go down. Okay, this price may go down against us, but before it goes down, we must have taken our profit, at least the first to take profit, right? And this is the range I'm looking at. Okay, now there's a kind of breakout. There's going to be a breakout, okay, as I'm looking at it, to hit that my first TP. So where you're seeing the rectangle is going to be my first TP, and aside that, I also combined a few other things I'm going to show you, right? I'm going to combine what is it called, fair value gap, so that you see the benefit of fair value gap, because there's a fair value gap somewhere. I'll show you that, okay? And this place I'm mapping out now is going to be my final TP for the trade I'm going to execute again. Okay, I'll put buy orders, right? I'm going to put buy orders. And then please, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, because I create videos like this, I create contents like this, I review secrets, hacks, and I make a lot of analysis that when you learn them is going to help you. So let's just put our buy stops, okay, above here, above that particular range, because I'm looking at although this looks like a falling wedge, right? And also it's a range. Let's just call it a range. And if you look at a bigger picture, it looks more like a kind of a bearish flag, but before the price will go down, it has to go up first. So I'm putting more buy orders, at least two more buy orders, and with different TPs. So the first one here is going to be my TP. Look at the losses I'm using, okay? And for the very last one, the TP is going to be where I'm mapped. Now remember, the TP for this second trade is where price would have filled the fair value gap that was created. Here is the fair value gap, okay, and my TP is going to be that place that I placed it now for the last trade, the third trade. So let's see how it plays out. Let's just see how it plays out. You can see we're in loss of $1 with the first trade that has been executed already. So we have the pending orders, and let's just give it a moment and see how it plays out. So my last TP, this is what I'm looking at. The price will go up to that level, okay? Even if it will come down, it has to get to that level.
A few moments later.
But this trade might go against us, but I'm very sure that my first TP for the first trade is going to hit. It's going to hit. So we're just going to give it a while and then see how everything plays out. Let me place it very well. This is my this is what I'm looking at. A price will do in the long run. In the long run, it might take me hours, it might take me till the next day, but I'm looking at it, that price will go to that point in the long run, right? I'm still going to show you the fair value gap clearly, okay, so that you understand, you will see it. So that's the position of the fair value gap. And now, okay, so yeah, let me check higher time frame, I mean a lower time frame, and see what is playing out there. You can see that we are already in profit, and our pending orders have been executed, as you can see, okay, after the break. and let's see how price will still push up at least to hit our first take profit. And once we have a kind of break even, we can as well insert, execute our trailing stop loss. Okay, but that's what we're looking at. Let's just see how it's going to play out. Please, there is need for you to always trust your analysis, and if it goes wrong at the end of the day, you know that that's just how it is. Okay, but first off, you need to make sure that you understand how to analyze the market, which of course we've been teaching that on this channel, so that you must have done your analysis, and not really with 100% certainty, because we do more probability, but you need to at least know that you know what you are doing to a very large extent.
Meanwhile,
So price is shooting up, and our first TP is almost hit, but we are still on the trade. So I was saying that you should at least, to a very large extent, know your analysis and trust it whenever you make it, right? And this is how it's going at this point. Very likely our first TP is about to hit. So if you are watching this video to this end, please kindly subscribe to this channel and then give this video a thumbs up if you are finding any value in it, and so that it will be recommended to those who want to understand how to trade like this, make your analysis, and how to build your courage, because some of the things we say helps to build your courage as a trader, right? So let's see how it goes. So eventually our TP, all the TP, the three TPs were hit, but then price went against us for the longest time, and up to that point I should be up to over 30 pips loss before it finally went our way. But then we had enough equity to sustain the pullback. Okay, that's why I said you must have that discipline, must have that wisdom, right? So we actually closed in profit. All the TPs hit. You can see where we mapped out, and of course that's how we roll, that's how we do it. You need to have confidence in your analysis, see it eventually reached. But then and again, proper risk and money management really matters, and if you must take this kind of trade, you must trust your analysis as well and be there to manage your fund. Take note that stop loss is very important. So if you have watched to this very end, many thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you in my next video.